Good day and welcome to coding section. Today I'll be introducing what I do and what you should expect from my channel. I'm a software developer who has been in the field for quite a while now, and I've had a lot of experience both in the web and in mobile development. I noticed that the problem with a lot of newbies and the problem people find when trying to enter into the tech space is that there are a lot of things to learn. And when you look at all these frameworks and languages required to build some of these applications, it normally feels very overwhelming. So I intend to use this channel to help newbies break down programming in such a way that they can easily join into the tech space and start building their own software solutions. Also, I intend to provide tips for both intermediate and advanced software developers. So, more on what to expect from coding section. I'll be building mobile applications for both Android and iOS, and the platform I'll be using is Flutter. This is because it supports deployment to both platforms. I'll be building apps for several applications like e-commerce, dating, ride sharing, and others. Also, with the Flutter mobile development platform, we would not only be limited to just utility applications, as I would also be building games which are compatible in both Android, iOS, and even on the desktop. Added to game development, would also take advantage of Flutter's cross-platform capability to build applications that are deployable to the web. While our websites can be deployed using Flutter, I would also create videos for building websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is for learners who want to take the route of the traditional web development which uses these three frameworks. Also, during the course of my videos, I'll be presenting you with code and GitHub repositories where you can see the actual implementation of what was taught for every video. I'm also open to receive requests from viewers on ideas to work on and solutions to come up with. So if you have a challenge you're facing or a problem with your code, you can always drop a message in the comment section and I would look into it and create a video for it if necessary. So if any of these frameworks, languages, or applications interest you, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.